In this one, we're going to go over another example of a special case of linear equations. So just as a reminder, there's three types of special cases when it comes to linear equations. There's conditional. So this is when you get x equals something, where x is a real number, like 0, -1, 5, etc. Okay, that's called conditional. The second is identity, and this is when we get a situation where an infinite number of solutions is possible. So if you get a situation where you have something like 3x minus 5 equals 3x minus 5, what you have is a situation where the left side equals the right side. In other words, if you plug in, so whatever you plug in for x, you'll always get a true statement. And if you solve for x, what you end up is 0 equals 0. Okay. This means you get an infinite number of solutions, and it's called an identity. The third situation is when you get a contradiction, and this is when you get a false statement. So something like 0 equals or does not equal to 5. Okay, this is obviously false. So let's try out an example. Here we have -11 times the quantity of x plus 9 equals -6x plus 5 times the quantity of -x minus 99 over 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by distributing the -11 on the left side. Okay, when we do that, we get -11x minus 99. On the right side, we can do the same thing. And when we do that, we get -5x minus, now the 5's here will cancel. Okay, this is 5 over 1 times -99 over 5. The 5's cancel. So what happens effectively is you just end up with a -99. Okay, and then we can further simplify the right side. Okay, -6x and minus 5x is going to be -11x. Then we have the minus 99. And look what we have here. You actually don't even need to go further than this because the left side is equal to the right side. And what kind of a special case is this? Well, if we look up here, as I explained earlier, what you have here is effectively an identity. Okay, so this is going to be an identity, meaning whatever you plug in for the x on both sides, any set of numbers that you plug in for x, it's always going to yield a true statement. Okay, therefore, what you have is an identity.